Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the Vsub.io review. As you can see, we're on the official page and they have like this bunch of options. Would you rather, AI video, cinematic, Reddit story, and then fake text messages, which I'm sure all of you have seen, and these quiz of multi-levels, things like that. And then all these things that are available, which are brain teasers, fake test, and this is the best niche: AI video, story, split screen, quiz, Reddit story, captions, would you rather, things like that, as you can see. And they have like all these separate sections, and like they have bunch of genres like cinematic, cartoon, anime, 3D animation, cinematic, anime, comic, and then they also have auto captions with animated emojis, things like that. Now if we look into pricing, to get started, which is it's $29 per month, and they give you 5,000 credits per month and $1 for 300 credits top up. If for some reason you finish your 5,000 credits but you don't want to upgrade to 49, then what you can do is have $1 for 300 credits, and then your videos will only be 2 minutes long. And then for pro this, and for premium, as you can see, this one for pro, for $50 almost, you're getting 10,000 credits and $1 for 325, and videos will be 10 minutes long. For premium, $99, but you get 25,000, which is like 2.5 times more than this, but this is only double. And then $1 for 350 credits, and then you can also do videos up to 10 minutes, things like that. As you can see, all these things. So overall, this is a good platform. It's very user friendly and you can easily use it, but it is not free. Like, you cannot use it for free to make even like 5 or 2-3 videos a month. You need to be paying it. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.